Alright, guys, I'm gonna go tell my mom that my chest hurts. My chest hurts.
Get out my face.
Yeah. Guys, you didn't hear what she just said? Get out her face. So I'm just wiping my eyes.
Why are you crying?
I went never cry. I did a prank on mommy. I put some water on my eye.
Go do it on DJ. Say I hit you.
What?
Go do it on DJ. Say I hit you. Go down to the camera.
Well, I'm gonna set it up in the room. I'm be like, DJ,
controller.
I'm be like, DJ, mommy got you.
Thanks. Close the line.
DJ. Never mind. All right, go.
Whoa.
My chest.
Whoa.
Alright guys, so I'm getting bored now. So before all the slime start overflow, this whole thing scratchy. Alright guys. So I'm gonna pull out some little bit more. So I got some blue Raisin Club blue. So I just spray some cologne. Guys, my teacher caught me today. I didn't. Not my cologne, just hit that. So I'm gonna sit here. I'm just playing, y'all.
Well,
I'm up.
bring me
Beer? Soda?
Now,
Oh.
that lady get one piece. That lady said.
Mom, can I get some more tuna salad?
Damn bitch dick.
Can I get some more tuna salad?
Yeah, Buddha, he was one away.
Come on, Mary, now. I ain't gonna come look for you no more.
He let me hit his shit before he went up. Oopsie shit.
I like them nasty, nasty. I like them nasty, real nasty. Yeah. So, Mom, can I get more tuna salad?
Come out here, his vibe.
But ain't that like Lauderdale or Pompano, cause you feel me? They gonna buy when they come to any one of them bitches. That Juvenile got a baby by my cousin. I ain't never know that. My cousin just told me that about a month ago.
Oh my God.
Old school, yeah. No, that bitch still look bad.
I don't care about you being ugly, okay? You did a prank on, hold on, you did a prank on DJ? Go do it.
He saw the camera.
Set the camera on the side of the pillow.
You need to distract him so I can sneak in the room.
No.
Distract him so I can sneak in the room.
I feel like you need a laptop, put the camera down, and then come back in, and then go back in there, and then you do it. We'll make it obvious. Your feet freaking black. I'm telling mommy on you.
Alright, hide me so I can go in the room. Hide me so I can go in the room.
Hey, get him up, hey. Why his feet so black? Go do the brain. That's so much.
Right.
My feet ain't even
Hide me.
Go do it. I told you put the camera on the freaking behind the pillow. And then go back in.
So fun. In this freaking house. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
But he doing it well.
My chest hurt. Psych. Hey, my chest ain't freaking hurt. Come on. I'm finna do a prank on my daddy. So what I'm gonna set his phone on this chair so I can look at him. And then I'm gonna touch him. And he'll be like, what the freak? I'm gonna keep touching him. And like, I'm gonna do a prank on my dad, y'all. So y'all, I was just
Mama just said, I guess Keisha little girl was on the playground and the little big little boy was fucking with her. Told her, boy, I'll slap the shit out you and go get your mammy. What you doing? And so, my boy said, you don't want to go get my mama because she on that. Man, where you want to sit, right here?